What's behind the growing gap between house and unit prices? The trend is clear. The gap between the prices of houses and unit is widening. In September 2021, the national median house price was $570,000, 9.6% higher. Fast forward 2023, the typical house costs $725,000, which is 30% higher than the price of a typical unit. So that's the explanation. Now coming on to which city. So the Greater Sydney has the largest median house and unit price gap at 74.5%. At the start of the pandemic, that was around the 29% mark. Remember, land is a scarce commodity. Another factor that impacts the prices of housing more than units, the availability of land in the inner city compared to regional areas, that's a major factor.